Hi everybody, good morning. As mentioned in our earlier video, we suggested we'll come up with a video for pre-open of the all the three indexes, that is for Bank Nifty, Nifty and stocks as well. We'll start with the Bank Nifty first. Yeah, as yesterday it was given an overall trend of to approximately 200 points in the from the previous closure. It has made a very high of 200 points completely considering the whole day. But if you consider for the intraday, it has made a high of approximately, what is that, 400 to 500 points movement from the bottom to the top. But before that it has made sideways, and then from there after 2 o'clock it has given a good movement before the expiry happened on yesterday, that is on 2nd of December. As you could see on the chart screen, this is the 2nd of December Bank Nifty future chart. Coming to that is today's moment, what we can expect is we'll open option chain data of that. 1 second, we'll open the option chain data for next week, that is this week. Yeah, this is the option chain data of the Bank Nifty for the next coming week, that is 9th of December 2021. You could see here the spot price is 36,508 rupees, as the current future prime out of the money strike prices premium itself is 440 rupees, and even same thing with respect to PE also, that is 415 rupees approximately, as you could see on the screen. So in this way, on Friday, what you can do is, if you are a positional trader with a huge capital, then you can go for selling the far premium strike prices, that is approximately you can go for selling 3600 to 58 rupees premium 3600 strike price, and then 37,000 C from the CE side, that is 1 2 3 4 5 strike prices from the spot prices for positional selling. Else if you are option buyer, then you have to wait for the trend creation after the market opens, that is at 9:15 or even 9:30. Sometimes there will not be any trend created till 10 o'clock, but sometimes immediately as soon as the market opens, trend will be created. Sometimes even there is a gap up or gap down, then it makes a movement in the reverse order. For example, it will open up with 200 points with a gap up, and then it gives a downtrend, or else it opens with a 200 points gap down, then it might go with the reverse trend, that is up rally. So considering those scenarios, you can go for the positional selling with a huge capital amount, that is minimum 10 lakhs. You should be aware of risk involved and all those things. Else if you are option buyer, then you should wait for the trend to be created on the intraday, that is after 9:15. Similar to Nifty, the Bank Nifty also, Nifty has given very good movement, that is 17,000, previous closure was 17,220. From there it made its closure of 17,439, that is 200 points of up rally. It has happened on expiry day. There is nowhere it has given downtrend, but here and there it is having a little sideways, almost from 11:30 to 2 o'clock sideways completely. That is for premium decay, so that it has to make all the OTM out of the money strike price to make zero on expiry day. From there it given a rally of 100 points before the closure. Similar to that, you can go for option chain. Yeah, this is the option chain data of Nifty. That is for expiry of 9 December 2021, that is coming with expiry. So as you could see, the out of the money premiums itself is more than one, approximately nearer to 150 rupees. That is on Friday itself, before Friday opening of the market. So if you are option seller with huge capital, then you can go for little far selection of strike price from the spot price, that is for 17,600 C. Similar to that, 17,200 P you can go for, that is with 80 rupees, which is can be visible on the screen. Even if you go on to for then you can go for 68 balanced one. 17,150 will be the P, and then 17,600 will be the P from the Nifty future chart. So considering these things in mind, you can go for option selling intraday, or else for positional hedging also. If you want option buyer, then always select for the strike price which is near to spot price based on the confirmation of the trend. Always wait for the reversal of the trend. If you have not entered the trade, then always wait for the trend to be reversed, so that you can enter very easily. Coming to the stock section, there will be 3 stocks which we'll be discussing on daily basis based on the future premiums. That is, first one is CIPLA, which is having lesser than 1000 rupees. See, as you could see here clearly, yesterday there was not clear trend, even though there was a intermediate trends happened on intraday. That is a movement of 10 points on each side, 10 points down rally, and then from there it has given 10 points up rally. From there again it has given sideways. So this is very good for equity traders. Easily you can do the trade very small quantities, 10 quantities, or even 50 quantities, or even 100 quantities. If you are a big capital trader, then you can go and trade in futures. That is, the quantity of 650 is the lot size in CIPLA. This is what is the same thing. Even in this also, you can go for option buying based on selecting the current future price as the strike price for the selected stock, CIPLA. Coming to the second stock, that is TATASTEEL. Since from yesterday, TATASTEEL is having made a up rally. Approximately how much was the up rally? 30 points from the previous closure. So we can expect another 20 to 25 points up rally, either in that manner, or it might open with little gap down around 20 to 25 points down, and then from there it might go with the up rally. And if intraday or option buyers, always wait for the trend to be created in intraday, then only trade. Else always wait for the opportunity, because always there will be opportunities in the market. Every day there will be opportunities, but we need to enter at the right time, and we should exist with the profit always, and always trade with the stop loss. Don't ever trade with the without stop loss. Similarly, HDFC is just following the trend of Nifty. As you could see in the earlier video, we have discussed about the Nifty. In the starting of the video, we have discussed about the Nifty future chart. You could see clearly same trend can be continued on the Friday itself, similar to the previous day. So we can expect yesterday 100 points movement has been happened in the future chart of the HDFC. So at least even if you capture there is no reversal till 11 o'clock, so approximately you can capture 80 points even at before 11 o'clock. Then you can close for the trade. That is, 300 is the lot size in this one. So 300 means 300 into 80 points, 24,000 rupees you can capture. Similarly, in the today also it might continue with the up rally, because there is no sign of negative news or any negativity turning around the stocks. So you can expect good movement in the HDFC also. If you are an intraday or option buyer, then you have to always wait for the trend to be created on the intraday. Thanks for watching this video. We'll discuss about the how the movements happened and which strike price we need to select, or which property, which option will give good profit in the post closure of the Friday. Thank you for watching this video. Have a profitable day.